Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm now testing the RADDY RF75A little radio, tiny little radio. I did a shortwave band scan, but this time, instead of using that wimpy little 10-foot wire antenna, I'm using my MegaLoop antenna, which is outside and is an amplified antenna, and it's clipped on to the telescopic. And I did a band scan, took about 15 minutes, and I can't remember, but it was a huge number of signals it found. This is 5.01, which I didn't get with the little 10-foot. I'll turn the volume up for a few seconds. Now we'll go on, turn it down a little bit, go to memo, and we'll go, let me see if I can do minus. No, it won't let me do minus. I was going to do minus to see what the highest number was. Okay, so we're on 1. Oops, I didn't do it fast enough. And I'm pushing the volume button like an idiot. Okay, there's 2. Very clear. Well, very loud. 5.025. Now, what's interesting is I did not get, or it did not find WWV at 5 megahertz. A little disappointing there. We'll try maybe tuning it manually. Okay, let's do that right now. Since we're now out of memory mode, let's just tune down here. Oop, I went right past it. Turn the volume up. See if I can hear anything. No. Nothing at 5 megahertz. Oh, I can barely hear it. I'll shut up for a second. Every once in a while, I can hear a tick. There it goes. There's the beep at the minute. So I think it's WWV. Okay, let's go back to memo. Whoa, turn this down. That's, of course, probably out of South Florida, Miami, or Cuba. Let's go memo 3. That's the, whoa, getting some kind of interference. That's the Preacher Man on 5.65. Go to memo, that's 3, 4. Yeah, it's definitely a Preacher Man, or Preacher Man station out of Tennessee. Let's go to the next one. Oh, boy, that's clear.
Después de un encuentro en la Casa Amarilla de la Cancillería, calificó el titular venezolano de Relaciones Exteriores de muy fructífera la reunión y aseguró que seguirán trabajando para fortalecer los vínculos bilaterales.
Says up here, it says the signal to, wait a minute, turn the volume down so you can hear me. It says the signal to noise ratio is 32 on this signal. Okay, let's go memo. Up. There's 6. Pretty strong. Memo 7. Yeah, pretty weak. Whoa. A lot of Spanish stations, because I live in Florida. I get a lot of Spanish stations, either in South Florida, like Miami, or Cuba, or South America. Let's go up. 9. Not much there. Go to the next one. Whoa. Now, I didn't get anything up here on the little 10-foot. Of course, That was 20 minutes ago, so band conditions could change. 9.33, that's familiar. For me, it's so much easier to use this keyboard than to use the little tiny keys here. So that's why I'm using the application. 11. 9540. Now I'm hoping I can get channel radio, because it is early in the morning, which is, if I'm going to get it at all, I get it in the morning. So I'm hoping it found it. Let's go on. No, I'm mostly getting just Spanish, which means it's not too far away. Yeah, nothing on that one. Okay, I'm up to 14 already. That one's real weak. So I missed channel radio on 9570. Didn't get that. Spanish. Whoa. Whoa, that's like next door. 9805. Let me look on my computer here and see if I can find out what that is. It's so strong. Let me go to short dash wave and put in 9805. 9805. Now, and wow, the only one it's showing on 9805 right now is Radio France International. I doubt it's that. Let me click on the flag so I can see where in the world it is. Come on. Show me the map. Okay, and we will zoom out. And it's in France. Okay. Let's see what it says they're broadcasting in. What language? Hausia. I don't know what that is. That sounds Spanish. Yeah, that's probably not Radio France. Memo 18. There's something there. Pretty weak. Memo 19. Memo 20. Nope. Real weak, but it's there. Up. That sounds like China radio. Let me look that up. 11750. Oh, this would be cool. 11750 right now. And that is nothing. There is no station. Oh yeah. Okay, how come it's not showing up here? Oops. Oh, there's why. China radio. I'll be darned. Out of Beijing. There it is. And it's in Chinese right now. And I'll shut up and let you listen. I'll be darned. So this little radio, but using my MegaLoop antenna, is getting China radio from China. Loud and clear. Amazing. I mean, granted, you would not typically hook this up to a MegaLoop, but I'm just going to do one little quick experiment here. I'm going to disconnect the MegaLoop and see if I completely lose the signal. And then I'll extend this little tiny delicate antenna, and I hear nothing. Okay, now we'll go back and we'll carefully, this thing is, oh boy, it's stuck. This is really wimpy. You got to be careful about this little tiny microscopic telescopic antenna. I'm going to hook up the, wait a minute. I laid it down, I'm hearing something. Yeah. Okay, let me go back so I can see what you're seeing. Yeah, I'm going to hook up the little 10-foot antenna. There's something there. Can barely hear it. It sounds like a male voice. Let me go back to the MegaLoop. See, I'm actually hearing something. Okay, here's the MegaLoop. Yeah. Okay, there's the male voice, and I'll shut up. I'll disconnect that. You can barely still hear the male voice. This is the 10-foot. Barely. So I'm guessing that if you connected, you turn the volume down, if you connected possibly a 20-foot wire antenna, you might get a decent signal, which would be amazing for this tiny, tiny little radio. Amazing. What else? See what else is left here. Memo, we're on 21. 22. Pretty weak. Memo 23. 11.815. Let me look that up. I'm using short-wave.info website. And it says coming out of Japan. It does sound a little oriental. Broadcasting in Japanese right now. So, once again, for me in my location, early in the morning, I can get these stations over in Asia. Japan, China, Korea. So let's see what else we got. Memo, we're up to 23. Oops, that didn't work. Whoops, wrong button. I think that's the same thing. Same thing. Whoop. 25. 11,655. Let me look that up real quick. Pretty weak. Sounds oriental. 11,655. 655. No, is that a 6 or an 8? That's an 8. 8. That's what it say. It went down. It shouldn't go down. Okay, this is pretty exciting for me. This is, let me turn the volume down. I'll let you listen first. According to the short-wave.info website, this is Radio Free Asia. Wow. That's amazing if that's what that is. Let's go back. Back to memo. So that was, I forgot what number that was. 25. 26? I think it was the same thing. 27. You look that up. English, I think. Maybe not. Okay, that's probably, that could be a couple of things. Let me turn the volume down. Okay, on that frequency, which is 11935, there's Vatican radio, China radio, Free Asia, and Vatican radio with different languages. Let's see if we can understand the language. No. No, I can't understand it. I can't even guess the language. Okay, that's 27. 28, that's data. Pretty clear, that's data. 29, nothing. Oops. 30, nah, nothing. Oop. 31. There's something there, but it's pretty bad. Okay. 32. Oops. 33. Something there. 34. We're up to 14 megahertz. That's it. Okay, so we got 34 signals. Oh my gosh, 34 signals using my MegaLoop antenna. And I don't even have the MegaLoop antenna hooked up properly because I just got the center. Let me get my camera over here so I can see what you're seeing. Hold on one second. Okay, good. See if I can bring this over. Yeah, see, I've only have it connected to the center conductor. So it's not grounded. So that's not proper connection for that antenna. But there's no way, there's no easy way to hook it up properly to this radio because there is no antenna connector port. Okay, I'm still amazed at this radio. Granted, I'm cheating here because I'm using an outside antenna, which is about 15 feet in the air. It's a MegaLoop, it's amplified, so I'm cheating a little bit. I think it was still, this radio was still would do pretty good outside with at least 10 foot of long wire antenna. I think it would still do pretty good based on the fact that when I hooked up this short 10 foot antenna that's in my workshop, I did get some of those signals. Pretty weak, but I got them, and they were from Asia. That's it. I'm excited. I don't know if you are or not, but I'm excited about this little radio. You can get this radio off of my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is below each of the videos in the description. There's no extra charge or anything. It just takes you to my store, which is a web page on Amazon. So you're dealing totally with Amazon. This radio, when I got it about a week or two ago, was $52. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.